How to fix TikTok drafts disappearing. Now, TikTok drafts are stored locally on your phone's internal storage and not on TikTok's cloud servers. If they disappear, it is usually due to a temporary storage glitch, an app update, or could be if you log out of your account. So the thing that you do not have to do is do not uninstall your application and do not try to clear your app data, as it will wipe out local file permanently. So rather, what you need to do is, if your smartphone has less than 1 to 2 GB of free space, the system may compress or hide temporary case folders like TikTok drafts. So first of all, simply open your setting or go to your device care to see how many stories you have left. Tap on device care. Now you can see the overview that almost 91% is used. So try deleting large apps, old photos or downloads to clear your space. Then simply force close TikTok and reopen it to see if the files reload. And also, TikTok includes a recovery layout where recently failed uploads or edited posts are cached. So simply go to your profile and you can open the drafts folder by tapping here, and you can see the drafts is still saved. It is just waiting to be re-edited or resaved, and once you tap on it, you can see all of your drafts and even publish them to free up space on your device. And as it is written, the crucial information is uninstalling TikTok will discard all drafts, so make sure to not do that. However, you can try to update your application from the Play Store. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.